Hi, I'm Aarzoo Khurana and I'm a wildlife and nature photographer. When we are shooting wildlife and nature, we are all about waiting for that decisive moment. You cannot afford to miss that one click that sets everything apart, and you never know when that's going to happen. Just be ready. Also, now that moment is called a snapshot. To capture priceless frames, one needs to keep a keen eye to observe. Also, one needs to understand the subject's behavior. In the picture you see here, the colors are deeply harmonizing. The composition is extremely clean and the use of colors sets the image apart. The photographer skillfully balances these colors, such as the striking contrast between the pink and the soft yellow, complemented by the pop of blue, which adds character while also telling a story. One can enhance such color contrasts in post-production using in-phone editing, but capturing these fleeting moments in real time is where the art lies. This photograph beautifully illustrates the concept of finding beauty in stillness. It's a perfect example of how layers can add depth to an image. When you look at this picture, you can distinguish a foreground, a middle ground, the main subject, and a background. The composition effectively uses the layering technique with a middle ground set against a captivating background and a foreground that enhances the image's depth. Incorporating such layering automatically enhances the impact of any frame. You can achieve this layering effect using just your smartphone. This frame freezes a fleeting moment in the sky, capturing the instant when the thunder sparks for mere microseconds. A photographer who values capturing such rare occurrences remains vigilant, ready to seize the opportunity. To achieve a similar effect, opt for a wide aperture, small f number to create a shallow depth of field. This technique can isolate your subject from the background, drawing focus to it and adding a sense of immediacy to your snapshots. In this particular photo, the contrasting yellow of the daylight and the fading grey of the sky, along with the sliver of thunder, are captured perfectly. The device's master mode allows us to capture this frame with high shutter speed and minimal lag. When post-processing your snapshots, it's common to focus on aspects like contrast, depth, and shadows. However, what many overlook is post-processing according to the mood of the photo. For instance, adding warmth to a photo like this would disrupt its cold, mysterious mood. Always keep that in mind. For quick and effective editing, consider using in-phone editing tools if you want to save time and not use an app or a software. That is all. Now click some amazing photographs and send them to me by participating in OPPO Imagine If India Photography Awards 2024.